Welcome back. Today, we're going to take a look at how you can create a widget in your hub. Ready? Then let's go. As you can see, I'm already in a hub's dashboard, and it's from here that I can add my widgets. In this case, we want to set up our hub so that we can easily collaborate with our friends and clients at ESTT Corporation. To do that, I want to add all the documents in M-Files relating to ESTT into Hubshare, and I will do that with a widget. Let's first talk about what widgets do. The widget you add show you different kinds of information. You can define charts, you can create a gallery or a to-do list. But the one we're going to focus on in this video is the extension content widgets. With the extension content widget, you get to see the documents that reside in M-Files once the hub is connected to M-Files. You get to use M-Files within Hubshare, so to speak. Once you get to this point, you can see that there are two different extensions you can choose from: M-Files Explorer and M-Files Creator. The difference between these two is that with M-Files Explorer, you can display the content that is in M-Files, and you can upload documents, but cannot create them. And with M-Files Creator, you can create new documents and objects in M-Files directly from your hub. We'll talk more about the Creator in the upcoming videos, so let's create an M-Files Explorer widget. From this drop-down menu, you get to choose a vault from the vaults that have been added in your Hubshare portal. Next, you need to choose what information you want to see in the widget. For example, documents, cases, projects, and so on. And what other options are available, for instance file versioning, which allows you to upload a new version of an existing M-Files document. You should also filter the displayed documents in the metadata query section. In our case, for this hub, we only want documents relating to the ESTT Corporation. This is good to keep in mind, especially if you have invited other people to your hub to collaborate. If you don't filter the content, everyone can see all the documents that reside in your M-Files vault, and we don't want that to happen now, do we? Now, if you need users to fill metadata themselves, it can be configured in the Upload Metadata section. So, for this hub, we want to make sure that all documents that are uploaded are at least tagged with ESTT as the customer. And it would also be helpful to have the uploader to specify which project this document relates to. Lastly, you can choose the metadata that will be shown in the item listing. This can be useful if, for instance, you want to see the document type, when the document was created, and what customer it is related to. And abracadabra, there's our widget. Let's quickly see what it looks like when I upload a new document. When uploading a document, you'll be asked if you want to upload your document as a new document, or if you want to replace the contents of an existing document, aka a new version. As you can see, I'm asked to choose the project metadata as I'm uploading the document, just as it was configured. Nice! And if you're ever wondering whether or not the documents and objects are duplicated or stored in Hubshare, the answer is no. since this widget is only a view of your mFiles vault. And there you have it. As you can see, it's not rocket science when it comes to creating widgets. Of course, this was just an example of how you can configure your widget, and you might have different needs when it comes to actually configuring one. But I hope this gave you some directions on what you can do. If you want to learn more, go ahead and jump into the next video, and I will be there waiting for you. See ya!